guys, it's time for me to unbox the February Pin Party Club box, and the theme for this box is myth and magic. Ooh, so it's a very magical and mystical. Absolutely love this theme, guys. This theme was actually thought of by a Pin Party Club member because we had a competition of who could come up with the next theme, and this was the winning one, and I'm so glad because this has been so much fun for me. Actually, myth and magic, when I started looking into it, oh my goodness, like there were just so many directions to take this theme that I was really spoiled for choice. Also, I didn't want to go down the route of like bending any breaking any copyright. So even though I was watching a ton of Harry Potter and things like that, I obviously didn't want to use anything as a direct reference from that. So I ended up going down the more kind of mythical side of things with a little bit of magic sprinkled on top. But anyway, enough of me chatting. Let's open the Pin Party Club box. If you don't know what Pin Party Club box is, it is a subscription box designed and made by me, Anita Perry, a UK artist. I also run Sugar and Sloth. So, oh my god, I didn't show you. Oh my god. So another thing that I'm doing in 2019 is I'm having different coloured tissue paper and bags because it's all about the details, guys. So I'm trying to like colour code everything so it's all like nice and matching. So this, we've got a lovely lilac tissue paper, which I'm quite a fan of. Okay, and then we open it up, and of course we are greeted by a flurry of confetti, because that is what Pin Party Club is all about. It's about having your very own party without even having to leave your house, which is my ideal party. Oh my goodness, okay. So the first thing I see when I open my box is this postcard, which says, "Perfection is a myth." And then we've got some super cute little mythical creatures all around here. Okay, so actually this is one I just opened to photograph. So I've taken it apart a little bit. So I'm just going to quickly put it back together so you didn't see this. Talk amongst yourselves. Okay. It sounds new. No one knew. Nothing happened. Okay, so... oh crap, I was photographing the stickers and they're not even in the box. Oh my goodness, let me just get the stickers. Oh, 1 second. Stickers. Okay, cool. Oh, I don't have as many of the stickers left over as I thought. Okay, so I totally just found this in my box, guys. It wasn't over there. The sticker sheet. And these are mini stickers that you can use for so many things because they're also vinyl, so they're super tough and durable. You can stick them on like drinks bottles, they can go in the dishwasher, you can do whatever you want, and they are oh so cute. And I really love how the theme, everything in this box is kind of on a branding theme with like the lilacs and the pastels, which is colours that I'm really into at the moment. Okay, we have next this super cute magic frog button badge. So this guy is your little lucky magic frog, magical guardian. And I was just doodling. He's not really like based on a specific character. I was just doodling, and then I saw him on the page, and I was like, oh my god, like I just have to make him a button badge because I just really want to wear him. So that's why he's there. It's a little bit random, but I thought you would really like him because he is so cute. And then we have a key ring. So we haven't had a key ring in our boxes for a little while, so I thought it was time to have a new key ring, and this one is the Cowie Potions Club. And I just remembered actually when I did the live unboxing on my Instagram live, someone messaged me and they were like, oh, I love the way you say that word. So it means super cute in Japanese, and I say it Cowie, but that's just how I've heard people say it on videos, to be honest. Like, I don't speak Japanese, but I just love the word. I wish I did. And this potion is your happy place, and it has a little dinosaur, because of course everyone's happy place has a dinosaur. And then we have, so what have we had so far? I've just thrown it all on the floor. We have a post, oh there it is. So, the postcard, the sticker sheet, the magic frog, and the keyring. And then we have the main event, what you're all here for, the super secret surprise hard enamel pin badge. So let's open it up, and this is one of my favourite badges, guys, because not only is it lovely colours, not only is it quite large, it has glitter on it, and I love putting glitter on things. So, okay, here is the design, and it is a tiny little bear, and he has a sword and shield, and he is riding a glittery dragon off on an adventure. It says, I like adventures on it. So something I also love about this pin, one of my club members messaged me and was like, Anita, what is coming out of the dragon's mouth? And I was like, why? It's glittery fire, of course. And they were like, oh, because I thought it was a blankie. I thought the dragon was tucking himself in with his snuggly blanket, which, oh my god, now I can't unsee and I love even more. So it is either a glitter fire breathing dragon, or it's a dragon tucking himself up in a blankie, which yeah, kind of love more, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to try and show you everything that was in the box all at once, and obviously loads more confetti went in my eye. So you can have a party of your very own. So I mean, you can't really see, but you can kind of see everything that's in the box. Ooh, so exciting. Absolutely love this box. So the box that has gone out at the moment is the Woodland Post Office theme, which is still top secret because international subscribers had not received theirs yet, so I can't unveil it, but I'm very excited to let you know what was in that box. The box that you can sign up for now if you want to join Pin Pad Club, of course you do, is the Rainbow Roller Coaster box. No, it's not. That's a lie. It's the Rainbow Roller Disco box. Yeah, that makes more sense, doesn't it? So very excited to announce that one. And if you missed out on the Myth and Magic box, this one here, I do have some on my website, so you can grab it if you missed out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm so excited to show you more boxes later.